Hello and welcome to another A Trainspotter From Berkshire video. In this video we'll ride up front on the DLR where the passenger service assistant sits when driving the train during a failure or empty coach and stop move. We'll be starting in the middle track at Canary Wharf, which is sandwiched between platforms 3 and 4. All speed limits are in kilometers per hour on the DLR. As we depart Canary Wharf, we pass over the North Docks, which has the Elizabeth line running under it. We are approaching West India Quays, which is only 200 metres from Canary Wharf.
Change for the Elizabeth line. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
He's got dinner plans with his girlfriend, but I'm just gonna, I know he's finishing up work, so I'm gonna go to his and then just like with the whole family, there's a little celebration that they do every year.
North Quay Junction, when first opened, was a compact Delta junction which was slowly enlarged to form a Delta junction, was the first bit of rear line, part of the line of the North Line as part of the Docklands launch.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Poplar. Change for stations towards Beckton and London City Airport. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Once again on Stratford, so as mentioned, the Beckton himself with a Giles obviously
Just after passing the original depot at Poplar, we make a sharp 90-degree left-hand turn to take us from an eastern heading to a northern heading.
Is for Stratford. The next stop is All Saints for Crisp Street Market. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
It's cheap to get a flight, it's to get a train. Yeah, train is £150. And it's 4 times longer. Apparently to get to the distance, probably take the same amount of time to get there.
train is for Stratford. The next stop is Langdon Park.
How long was you there? Just for like the weekend?
Yeah, it's from schools. A few days. 3 days, 2 months. Can't just go around there during 3 months.
The whiskey's lovely. Yeah, like, no, no, it's yeah, and then like near like the lots, so it's like really good way. It's just insane. Do you know when there's like a road next to Devons Road where it's like one side is like
As we approach Devons Road, you'll see what looks like a level crossing. However, this is a road rail access point for maintenance, as well as Devon Road that is an emergency exit which at the up end of the station.
and then he goes like fucking pitch black.
Yeah. It's so weird.
Do you know what that's from?
It's like so weird. They don't mix. Just stay here like that.
Just because of the depth of
Church, change for London Underground, District and Hammersmith City lines at Bow Road Station. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
you don't know when it's
On departure from Church, we merge to form a single line. This allows us to run alongside the Great East Main Line, which services from service stations in Essex, Suffolk and Anglia. Train services are obviously direct Elizabeth Line, CTC, London Overground and Great Anglia, regular C Class 345s, 710s and 720 Adventurers, as well as 357s and 378 electric stars on passenger services, with 66s and 90s during the mainstay of freight traffic.
Is for Stratford. The next stop is Pudding Mill Lane. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
We now pass the tunnel portal for the Elizabeth Line, which is built on the old Pudding Mill Lane station site.
The next stop is Stratford, where this train terminates. Please remember to take all your belongings with you. The next stop is Stratford, where this train will terminate. All change.
For London Underground, Central and Jubilee lines, Elizabeth Line, London Overground, North London Line, National Rail and local bus services.
Thank you for watching the Train Station Berkshire video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Train Station Berkshire.